Okay, lesson 3.3 also covers the half angle formulas. We're given here the sine of alpha over 2, the cosine of alpha over 2, and the tangent of alpha over 2. Please note, the positive and negative symbol in front of each formula does not mean there's two possible values. What it means is the sign is determined by what quadrant it lies in. So depending on what quadrant you're in, depends on what sign you take. And you're wanting to know the quadrant that the half angle lies in. Not the angle they're giving you, but the half angle. So let's look at a first example. It says cosine of 210 degrees is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. Find the exact value of cosine of 105 degrees. Well, cosine of 105 degrees is equal to the cosine of 210 degrees over 2. Now remember that the formula for the cosine of alpha over 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 plus cosine alpha over 2. So, alpha is 210 degrees, so cosine of 210 over 2 is 1 plus cosine of 210 over 2. Now, the half angle is 105. 105 is in quadrant 2, and over here x is negative, y is positive. Cosine is x over r, so we're going to take the negative of that. So I'm going to continue on. It's negative square root of 1 plus negative square root of 3 over 2 over 2. So I'm going to multiply everything in the numerator and the denominator by 2 to eliminate my complex fractions. So when I do that, I'm going to have 2 minus the square root of 3 in the top and 4 in the bottom. I can split this negative square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 over the square root of 4, which is negative square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 over 2. Okay, that is my answer. It's okay to have a radical under a radical, but it is not okay to have an entire fraction under a radical. So that's the cosine. Now there's also half angle formulas for the tangent. They're given here. You'll use those in this lesson as well.